What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got that F150 2.7 ecoboost basically all buttoned up, cabs ready to go back on once I get the new valve cover for the passenger side, and then I'm going to put the injectors and the intake manifold back on. We got 6 brand new injectors for this truck. I left the injectors in the head. The machine shop had to pull them out to resurface the heads, and they ended up bending 2 of them. So we're just getting 6 new injectors. Might as well start off fresh with everything. And then the passenger side valve cover is cracked. This happened when I was pulling it off. You know, shit happens, and I don't want it to leak, so we're just getting a new valve cover. Once I get that stuff, should be here today, we can basically start buttoning it up fully. We can put the cab back onto the truck, and then we'll try for a first startup after we build some oil pressure. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.